Hello everyone, how are you all? I heartily welcome you all in my Master Academy channel. If you are newer in my channel, please subscribe it and please on a bell icon so you will get new notification. Okay, we will start a new lesson. New programming languages. See, many students don't know how to write programming into C language. Okay, this language. It is your base. Okay, so we will start. So introduction to C language. There are many portions. Please be focused here. Okay, so here you know very well. Okay, if you want to learn speaking English, you don't know English, so what will you learn? We will learn alphabets. Alphabet where we will be start A, B, C, D up to Z, E to Z. Then after you know the alphabets, what you will do? To join all the alphabets and trying to make a different words. Okay, then you know the words, you know the alphabet, then you will try to make small sentences. Okay, so after you know the sentences, after you know how to construct sentences, you know very well, then you will move on the paragraph. So here my dear students, here you can see there are the steps of speaking English, learning English. Okay, first you will know how to write the alphabet, then you will move on the words, then you will move on the sentences, then you will move on the paragraphs. Okay, now we will move on how to learn C languages. What are the steps to learn a C languages? Okay, understood? Now you can see here in the C languages, the first step is alphabets. After you know the alphabets, we will start a character sets. Okay, after completion of this topic, we will start a character set. What is the alphabet? We will discuss in new slide. Okay, then what is a token? Alphabets, then token, then statements and instruction, and then program. There are all the basic steps to know. If you know all the basic steps, then you can know the introduction. If you know the basic steps of programming language, so you can easily learn. Understood? You know what is the alphabets in C, what is the token in C, what is a statement and instruction in C, and how to write a program into C. So we will discuss one by one. Okay, now what is the character set alphabets of C? So first step, letters uppercase and lowercase letter from E to Z and small alphabet E to Z. Okay, then second digit, it should be from 0 to 9. Then symbols such as, you can see this is the tilde sign, hash sign, percentage sign, caret sign, left parenthesis, equal assignment, minus, right parenthesis, underscore, plus, left brace, vertical bar, division, right brace, single quotation, asterisk, left bracket, dot. My dear friends, if you know the symbol and you know what is its meaning, because all the symbols all the symbols will help you to write a program. You have to keep in your mind what is the meaning of this symbol, how to use it. We will discuss. Okay, now we will move on the new symbols. The symbols are semicolon, right bracket, double quotation mark, colon, less than, question mark, comma, greater than, backslash. There are different type of symbols. You know what is the use of this symbol. We will discuss in the later on programming. Just you know what we have discussed. We have discussed in the character set, alphabets, then digits, then symbol, and last one is white spaces. White spaces such as space tab. The shortcut key is /T. New line, if you want to write, if you want to print a line into new page or new line, so it is a use, it is a white spaces /N/T. okay, /S. different white spaces should become in this programming language. So we will meet in next video with C tokens. Till that, thank you very much for seeing my video. Thank you.